This video of a 2006 Honda Accord 2.4 liter. This door latch, I put all this in, but I noticed when I was putting it in, the cable that hooks up to the door latch is broke right around here, right here. Well, it might be this side. I don't know. It's one of them sides, the one that go here. And when you open the door, see that? It's not opening that latch because if this is break, it can't stay still, and this part is moving up and down with the latch. So we're gonna take it out. See right here, that little hole. You put this in there, so the hook. Hold up, don't do what I just did. And you pull it to you, and that comes out. It goes into a groove. See that? Those grooves first. You put those grooves in first, then you snap that in. It's a 2 screwdrivers right there for the pig. Take them out. All right. Take them out. When you take them out, now the door panel is free from the door. All right. Now there's another one down here. You see that little panel down there? You do the same thing. You lift it up. And below that panel, it's another Phillips screwdriver. Take that out. Now when you take that screw out, you see this panel right here? It's a lip right here. I use this plastic, and you put it right below this lip right here, and you pull it up to you. And what that will do, it will release this. There's some snap-ins that's right here. I'm trying to do it while I'm holding the camera. You put it right on it like that. And let me try to put it in this hand and see if I can get it. Kind of awkward. And you just pull it up. See that? You put it up. There you go. See that? You put it up. And then when you put it up, you just go around here. It's just little snap-ins all the way across. Right here. Just snap them up. See that? Just snap them up. See that? Snap them up. Snap it up. See that? That's all you got to do. Snap them up. Snap them up. You got one more right here. Snap them up. Now when you snap them up, this whole thing comes out the door. You turn it over, and you unplug these 2 plugs. You push this in, and you pull it up. Same thing on this side. You push that in, and you pull it up. Go ahead and do that. So get this out your way. All right, next, you see this here? You gotta take that out. You can get a screwdriver or your hands or whatever, but I use this plastic. Just put it right behind here and pull it to you. There's 2 snap-ins. Just pull it to you, and it's gonna come out. Yeah, just put your hand up there and pull it out. See that? It's 2 snap-ins right there. That goes in that hole. You just pull it out to you. All right. Next, the door is ready to. Door panel is ready to come off. So all you got to do right here, you can just hold right here and pull towards you this way, and hold right here and pull towards you right there. What you need to do though is lock this door, but be careful. Take your key out the car because we need to push this over this to pick it up. So when you get all these panels pull out like this, it's real free. Now all you got to do is lift up on the door and go up with it and make sure this part goes over this, and boom, your door panel it's coming off. One more thing though. You see down below, it's a little light that's plugged in. This courtesy light is plugged in the back right here. See that? Let's put your hand back there and turn it and twist it and take it out. And right here, you can pull this out. Yeah, just get your screwdriver or something here and pull it out. And then your door panel is free to come out. Hi, I lied. You got one more. You see that? That's the piece I was telling you that's broke. See that? That piece supposed to be in here, but it can't stay put to open the door. So that's the piece I will be changing. So all you gotta do, see that? Is inside that clip. Just get out that clip. Just put a screwdriver right here and bring it towards you like that, and then pull it out of that hole. And now your door panel is free, and you can remove it. And then try to get that cable out. Put the new cable in. So that it's running the door and it's going down to this latch. So we got to take this up. We just want to take up half of this right here. Take it up and bring it back so I can look in the door and see where that runs to and disconnect it and put the other one. But you don't want to cut the plastic. You just want to, it's really glue. See that? If you got a razor blade, you could cut the glue. You don't want to cut the plastic or you're going to put it back. All right, so go ahead and do that and we'll be right back.